guys, what's up? I hope everyone must be doing safe. So if anyone came to my channel for the first time, then hi, I am Ananya and you are welcome to this channel. For the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because if people are not subscribing to my channel, which is not good. Subscribe is totally free, guys, so do me a favor by subscribing to my channel, as well as hit the like button and tap the notification bell right next to the subscribe button, so that you will get a notification whenever I will upload a video on my channel. I promised you guys, like, I will make 2 ethnic videos, and if you have not checked my ethnic collections part 1 video, I will give the link in the description box. Don't forget to check that out as well. If you like my part 1 video, and as well as if you want to see what is in my part 2 ethnic collections video, then continue watching. So let's move to the next dress of today's video. Is this beautiful light pink color dress. Like, it is a gown, as you can see. Oh my god. And this is so big and a beautiful lightweight gown, and along with that I got a jacket over here along with this dress. And I have not posted a picture on Instagram regarding this dress, but I bought this dress for previous year puja. And this one is from Lifestyle, but like if you are in Bhubaneswar, then you must have known about Esplanade Mall. Like I prefer Esplanade over every mall in Bhubaneswar. Like, and this one is from Lifestyle store. Like if you know Esplanade, then you must have known that there is a Lifestyle store as well inside the Esplanade Mall. And this is from Lifestyle store. Like, मेरी बहन और मेरी Lifestyle store बहुत ज़्यादा favorite है. And okay, the first kurti which I sewn from Aurelia is the Esplanade Lifestyle as well. I forgot to share maybe, but this one is from Lifestyle as well. Like, Aurelia क्या है, but मैंने Lifestyle से Aurelia की कुर्ती ली थी. Like, Aurelia की जो अलग सा दुकान है, like अलग सा जो store है, उसमें से नहीं ली थी. So yeah, I just love this kurti, but I don't know why I just always forgot to wear this one. I have only wear it for once. Like, previous year pujas में मैं पहनी थी, and अभी तक 1 year हो चुका है, मैंने एक बार ही पहना है. Like, those who are watching this video, if you are from Odia culture, then you must have known that there is a Kumar Purnima occasion in every Odia family. So I bought this dress for my Kumar Purnima. But unfortunately, I don't know why I only wear this once, and I just love this one. Like, एक बहुत लाइट वेट आपको दिख रहा है कि हाँ, एक गाउन काइंड ऑफ ड्रेस है, बट बहुत ही लाइट वेट है. लाइक, whenever you are going to Esplanade, or if you are someone who always purchase things from malls, and if you are a mall person in short, then I highly recommend you, my subscribers or my viewers, to have a check or to have a look on Lifestyle store. बहुत अच्छी लगती है Lifestyle की जो कलेक्शंस होते हैं. बाकी के जो मैक्स बिग बाजार, नहीं, मैक्स बिग बाजार में भी बहुत अच्छी होती है, बट if you want more than affordable range, then Lifestyle is there for you. And I must say, you will love the collections. Like, as always, you know I love green, that's why I just bought it for this jacket specially. Like, मैंने ये जैकेट के लिए ही लिया था, trust me. And ये सब बहुत ज़्यादा highlighted pink नहीं है, like एक baby pink है. So I love this one. Okay, this one is little bit pricey, like 1899 rupees था, but मैं दुर्गा पूजा की जो सेल होती है ना, like उसी टाइम में मैं लेने गई थी, तो मुझे 1499 में मिला था. एंड प्राइस के हिसाब से वर्थ इट. लाइक मेरे जीजू के बर्थडे थे प्रीवियस जो कुमार पूर्णिमा में उनकी बर्थडे होती है, तो हम लोग पूरी फैमिली गए थे जो बाहर. मैं उस दिन ये पहनी थी, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई नेवर वेयर दिस वन. लाइक 1 साल हो गया मैं इसको ऐसे ही रखी हूँ. सो सैड. Okay guys, so yeah, this one is for rupees 1500. Actual price is 1800, and this one is from Lifestyle store Esplanade. the next ethnic wear in my collection is this beautiful maroon or golden kind of kurti, like mixing of maroon or golden kind of kurti. Like it was not exactly maroon, a little bit purple color you can say, and this one is from Myntra, and this one is for rupees, oh my god, the price is not written here, but maybe 999 rupees or 1000 or something like that, not more than that. And this one is just the best purchase I have ever done from Myntra, because जो लोग आप लोग like those girls who choose ethnic wear from online, I told you in the beginning that this video will also helpful for you, don't worry. So look, I have already shown you 3 dresses from online, one Flipkart, one Myntra, and another one is again from Myntra. Just go and grab from Myntra, like they have just gorgeous traditional collections. Like, oh my god, I'm just promoting Myntra here, whatever. This kurti is just amazing guys. Like this is rupees 999 rupees, but abhi Durga Puja sale aane wale hain, so just wait for that. I will give the link and you just go through the link and add to cart them. Like जब भी आप कुछ भी चीज परचेज करना चाहते हो या फिर किसी भी यूट्यूबर से, किसी भी इन्फ्लुएंसर से कुछ भी देखते हो, don't go and order them immediately. Okay, just add to cart them. Whenever you will find a good offer, just go and order that product. But if you're okay with the price and other things, then it's okay. But it's my point of view that don't just go and order immediately after watching the videos of everyone around there. Okay, just go and add to cart them, just go through their reviews and everything, then just go and order it. Don't hurry up while you are purchasing something from online. You just have to check everything perfectly and then after you are going to order them. Okay, as I am shopping more with online, that's why I am saying this to you. And I just love this kurti and their quality. Like, okay, this one is my new purchase, that's why I have not wear it, and maybe this looks like so odd, but this kurti is just love guys. Like I just love the color, but I have order M, but this is little bit loose. Like मैं बोल रही थी ना मिंत्रा की साइज में, बट लूज होने से चलता है बट टाइट नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज गर्ल्स कैन यू रिलेट मी, लूज होगा तो हम लोग एडजस्ट कर लेंगे उसको टाइट वेट करके, बट टाइट होगा तो वी कांट वेयर दैट ड्रेस फॉर लॉन्ग आवर्स एज वेल. सो लूज हो चलेगा बट टाइट कभी ऑर्डर मत करना, बिकॉज रिटर्न करोगे कुछ भी फाइन. And one more thing, if you are expecting that I am going to show you lehengas and और जो फैंसी गाउन्स एंड ऑल, नो, बिकॉज वो डेली बेसिस के लिए नहीं होते हैं, वो ओकेजनली ही हम लोग पहनते. आई हैव गाउन्स कलेक्शन, लाइक आई हैव मोर देन 6 to 7 गाउन्स, like I have, but I won't add them in this video. This is a simple ethnic collections of mine, and as well as Durga Puja is coming and Kumar Purnima is also coming, so you can't order a lehenga or you can't order that proper heavy gowns. No, okay. So that's why I thought let's make video on this kind of things, and I hope the video is helpful for you, because most requested video is I am doing right now. And I just loved it. Price is 999 rupees, बता दिया मैंने, but I got it for rupees 700 or something like that due to some sale. And one more thing guys, can you believe that I got to know about this kurti? I was just scrolling my Facebook. I saw Myntra's some ad or 60 to 70% clearance sale or whatever. There are some lots of sales are there, and oh my god, I just got this kurti from Facebook and I saw there. I thought, oh my god, it looks so pretty, and as always traditional suits me more and even more. So खुद का तारीफ हो गया थोड़ा. Okay, चलता है यार. And I just love this kurti. If you are someone who want to purchase this kind of 1/3 kind of hand or a simple elegant gorgeous as well, then this one is for you girls, and the price is just 700 to 1000, just between them. And Durga Puja के लिए ये भी बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. You can wear it in your you can wear it along with your leggings, like golden or golden ही अच्छा लगेगा, और कुछ ऐसा खास नहीं लगेगा. So yeah, just go and grab this kind of kurtis from Myntra. I highly recommend you guys just go and check Myntra. अगर लॉकडाउन एंड कोरोना एंड सब उस हिसाब से आप देख रहे हो कि हाँ आपको एक ट्रस्टेबल ऐप से कुछ अच्छा सा कलेक्शंस चाहिए आपकी पूजा के लिए एंड बजट फ्रेंडली एज वेल, गो एंड चेक मिंत्रा. लाइक उसमें 300 से लेके आपका 10,000 तक के बजट में है. अकॉर्डिंग टू योर बजट यू आर गोइंग टू परचेज देम. ओके, सो या प्राइस. Those who have chosen ethnic wear from online, always prefer Myntra. Always. Ethnic wear from my collection is this beautiful gown, or you can say a simple kurti. As you can see, okay, I am going to wear it. No need to worry about the whole picture. Like the kurti looks like this. I got this kurti for my birthday this year from one of my friend, and along with that you will get a jacket over here. But my mama does not like this kind of dress. I don't know why. She always told me why you purchase this kind of thing, but ये free है, like ये gift का है तो ये gift है तो इसलिए उसने कुछ बोला नहीं. बट उसको बिल्कुल भी मेरी मम्मी को ये जैकेट काइंड ऑफ कुर्ती मेरी मम्मी को पसंद नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई मैं जो कुमार पूर्णिमा में प्रीवियस ईयर ली थी ना, तो उसको मैं आज तक पहन नहीं पाई. पता नहीं उसको क्यों अच्छा नहीं लगता कि उसको जैकेट वाला कुर्ती उसे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है मेरी मम्मी को. दैट्स व्हाई आई जस्ट अवॉइड वेयरिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर. लाइक ऐसा ही कुछ समझ रहे होगे आप लोग भी. So you will get a jacket here, and this one is the kurti. Like I am really obsessed over this one. I know this one is my birthday gift. Still, I just love this one. This is available on Myntra. This is available on Flipkart and Amazon as well. But Myntra के शेयरिटी में नहीं दे सकती. मैं एक बार ही देखी थी, but अभी मैंने सर्च किया तो वो नहीं आ रहा है ये वाला. But this is available on Amazon and Flipkart and in their reasonable price. Like मैंने जब ली थी तो 1000 था, but अभी 600 या 700 like 650 में मैंने देखी थी अमेजोन पे जो चल रहा था ना, अमेजोन प्राइम डे और समथिंग लाइक दैट. दिस वन इज जस्ट रुपीज 650. लाइक ओ माय गॉड, लाइक मुझे लिटरल लगता है ना 650 की रेंज में अगर आप ले रहे हो ना, जस्ट वर्थ इट. लाइक मेरे बर्थडे पे मुझे मिला था, तो दैट्स व्हाई आई जस्ट चेक द प्राइस एज वेल. ऐसा नहीं कि बर्थडे गिफ्ट है तो मैं बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोल दूंगी, ऐसा नहीं. उसने जब परचेस किया था तो 1000 था, बट अभी ये 700 में मिल. आज वेल एज बिग बिलियन डेज आर कमिंग ना फ्रॉम 17 to 18. Oh, I don't exactly know about the date, but Big Billion Days are coming, and also Durga Puja sale is coming, so you will get it for 650 or 700 rupees. So just go and try this out. Like मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि ऐसा ही कुछ पर्टिकुलर यही वाला लो. No need to do twinning with me, but you can check this kind of kurtis on Amazon and Flipkart as well. But Myntra की मैं शेयर नहीं दे सकती. बट हाँ, Myntra में भी जैकेट काइंड ऑफ कुर्ती बहुत सारे हैं. लाइक आपके जो क्या सब ब्रांड होते हैं ना, जो विशुद्ध एंड डब्ल्यू बीबा, उनके बहुत सारे जैकेट कुर्ती कलेक्शंस Myntra में है. लाइक मेरे पास 3-4 नई कलेक्शंस है, इसलिए मैं नहीं ले रही हूँ इस टाइम पूजा में कुछ. लाइक मेरी सिस्टर ने गिफ्ट कर दी, एंड बहुत सारे नई कुर्तीज है मेरे पास, तो मैं नहीं परचेज नहीं करने वाली हूँ इस दुर्गा पूजा में. बट या दिस इज जस्ट द बेस्ट. एंड प्राइस तो बता दिया 1000 था, बट आपको अभी सेल पे कुछ कम या डिस्काउंट के बाद कुछ अच्छे रेट में मिल जाएंगे. एंड जस्ट बेस्ट. यू हैव सीन दिस पिक्चर ऑन माय इंस्टाग्राम ऑन रोजो, राइट? जस्ट उसी अकॉर्डिंग से आप गेस कर लेना. ओके, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक मोर अबाउट दिस वन पर्टिकुलरली. Second last ethnic wear of today's video is this Sambalpuri outfit. Like I have this Sambalpuri piece with me. Like I have told you from the beginning now, today I am going to show my recent favorite ethnic collections, not every single ethnic dress I have. So that's why this one is also my current favorite. Like I got it before 1 year, but I am already loving this one. Like एक बहुत अच्छा सा yellowish Sambalpuri kind of piece. I guess everyone love this kind of Sambalpuri fabric dress, right? बिकॉज बहुत एलिगेंट सा लुक देता है. लाइक आपका कुछ मीटिंग्स हो या फिर आपका कुछ एक कॉन्फ्रेंस हो या फिर कुछ wherever this kind of dress is suitable, right? So this one is going to look a simple elegant look ले आएगा आपको. and I just love this one. And I don't know, okay, let me remind, this one is gifted by my uncle. Like मेरे एक uncle बैंक में जॉब करते थे संबलपुर में. When he retired, he bought this piece for me, and I made this dress from our local tailor. एंड उसने बना के मुझे, बट मैं उसकी लाइक जो जिस तरह से मैंने बताया था उसे बनाने के लिए वैसा नहीं था. बट आई कांट गिव अप टू दिस ड्रेस, सो आई एम यूजिंग इट. बट मैंने उसको नेक डिज़ाइन अलग बताया था, हैंड भी अलग बताया था, बट उसने कुछ सारा का सारा बिगाड़ दिया. बट इट्स ओके. आई एम वेयरिंग दिस वन. And like Sambalpuri dresses are so comfortable. Like my sister has lots of Sambalpuri dress collections. I told you guys, she is my like forever go-to kind of girl for traditional wears. Okay, so she has lots of Sambalpuri collections. Like अगर मेरे पास कभी उसके ड्रेसेस के कलेक्शंस आएंगे ना तो मैं एक बार ज़रूर वीडियो बनाऊंगी. बट उसके पास बहुत सारे Sambalpuri ड्रेसेस है. Like they are super comfortable to wear, guys. The best part about any Sambalpuri outfit is they are super comfortable to wear. Okay, and easy to wash as well. Like इसके लिए आपको easy and but ये ना normally आप कुछ भी डिटर्जेंट ले लो आराम से क्लीन हो जाता है. and आप इसको ना 11 आवर या 12 आवर like from morning to evening अगर आपको वेयर करोगे तो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. like बहुत ही comfortable होता है. That's why I love this kind of piece. Like my uncle bought it for me, and this one I don't know the price, guys. I'm so sorry, and no link will be provided for this one particularly. And just best. Okay, you can check Norula, you can check Boyanika. If you are from Bhubaneswar, I don't know about other country or other states as. Oh, मैं country बोल रही हूँ. हाँ, मेरा तो वीडियो जा रहा है ना न्यूयॉर्क, कनाडा, दुबई पे जा रहा है तो मैं बोल रही हूँ कि okay, let it be. If you are from other states, then I can't suggest anything. But if you are from Bhubaneswar or if you are from Odisha, then just go and check Boyanika, Norula, or what others. Okay, there are so many stores in Bhubaneswar who has this kind of dress piece. Like ये dress piece है, आपको बनाना पड़ेगा आपके हिसाब से, आपकी size के हिसाब से. तो yeah, I just love this one, so I thought let's share this one as well. And yeah. This is going to shoot on your white slacks and a beautiful chunni, a simple elegant chunni. I just love this kind of outfits, like simple ho, like आप अच्छी भी दिख रही हो, and as you know, girly kind of thing. For the last ethnic wears from today's video is this beautiful frock or one piece kind of floral kurtis. Like this is not a one piece, this is not a kurti, this is, I don't know what is this or what I will name this dress. But as you know, my birthday is on May 20 and I was in Vanpur, my proper home. And I was unable to order anything from online, or I was unable to come to Bhubaneswar. That's why I just bought it from a local store there. And I just love this dress because their quality, they are just amazing. And my mama told me, look, you just take this one because this is going to look amazing on you, this is going to look gorgeous on you. आई थॉट ओके बाबा, लॉकडाउन में कुछ भी तो नहीं हो रहा है, चलो घर पे ही बैठी हूँ तो कुछ भी ले लेती हूँ. एंड मुझे एक फ्रॉक और फ्लोरल काइंड ऑफ कुर्ती चाहिए, लेकिन मेरा कोई फ्लोरल काइंड ऑफ कुर्ती नहीं है. सो मैंने सोचा कि, एंड मम्मा बोल रही थी कि ड्रेस पीस ले लो उसे बना के. लाइक ओके गाइज, वन मोर थिंग, इफ यू वांट टू सी माई ड्रेस पीस, लाइक ड्रेस पीस को बना के जो होते हैं ना कि इतनी ड्रेसेस, लाइक आप पीस लोगे, ड्रेस पीस लोगे तो उसको बना के आप पहनोगे, मेरा ना उसका एक दुकान है. ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, आई एम नॉट शोइंग ऑफ एनीथिंग हियर. लाइक वो वाला कलेक्शन मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा है. लाइक मैंने आपको 2 ही दिखाए जो मैंने बहन दी थी, एंड ये संबलपुरी वाला, बिकॉज देर माई रिसेंट फेवरेट्स. बट आई डू हैव सम मोर एंड मोर कलेक्शंस ऑफ ड्रेस पीस. लाइक ड्रेस पीस को बना के जो होते हैं ना, बिकॉज माई फादर इज ऑन दिल्ली, he always purchased lot of dresses from there, and you can believe guys, they are just like more than gorgeous. I can't like stunning. They are just stunning, and whenever we go Delhi, we just purchase lot of dresses from there. You can't believe guys, I am not wearing them right now, but I have a two big trolley full of dress pieces. If you want, then I will definitely make a video on this as well. Let me know in the comment section below, and let's talk about this one particularly. And yes guys, I always try to make short videos, but short videos are simply not my cup of tea. I don't know why. Okay, so this one is my most favorite, like my go-to kind of, whenever I go to Reliance Dress, whenever I go to meet up with my friends, then I just wear this one particularly, and I am good to go. And little bit of nude lipsticks, and I am good to go. Okay, and the price is 800 rupees. Yes, little bit pricey, like ऐसा कुछ है नहीं इसमें, but 800 ले लिए. लाइक उन्होंने जो अंकल हमारे वहाँ के जो बोले कि नहीं ये बहुत अच्छा है, लाइक एक बहुत अच्छा सा क्वालिटी है. एंड मैंने सोचा चलो बर्थडे है तो ले जाते हैं भाई, क्या पड़ता है. बट अगर मैं ऑनलाइन या फिर कहीं और से लेती तो मे बी कुछ अच्छा सा मुझे मिल जाता. बट मैं रिग्रेट नहीं कर रही हूँ कि हाँ मैंने चलो वहाँ से मैंने लिया है. एंड मुझे अच्छा बहुत ही ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है. दैट्स व्हाई आई जस्ट लव्ड इट. एंड या अ कंप्लीट फ्लोरल ड्रेस. ओके, आई विल वेयर इट. सो या
I tell you do cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I tell you do cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh.
Guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you will like this video, and please let me know in the comment section below that how much you like the video and how much you like my ethnic collections as well, because ये वाला video बहुत ज़्यादा ही requested था. Like I shoot more than 10 to 12 videos for other content, but I just stopped editing all of them, and I shoot this one particularly on Monday, and I am uploading this one right now because puja is coming and festival season is coming up. So I thought no, I will make a video super soon and upload it as much as possible. So like मुझे प्लीज बताना कि मेरे एथनिक कलेक्शंस कैसे लगे, एंड आपको ये वीडियो ओवरऑल भी कैसा लगा. प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो गाइस. इट रियली मीन्स ए लॉट. लाइक इतना ज़्यादा आप अगर कुछ चीज़ के लिए एफर्ट्स दे रहे हो तो you genuinely expect some positive response from you, my viewers and subscribers. And if you like the video, then let me know in the comment section below that what you guys want to see in my next video, and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well, and share the video as much as possible. And see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye, stay safe, stay happy, stay at home, keep supporting me, keep loving me. Bye.